Ito na ako guys. Naku, nakalimutan ko na naman yung listahan ko, no? Pwede na ako maalala ko yung mga bibilhin ko. You tell them what's the good news.
Yeah, so pretty good. This is really bad
Like
for you
it?
though.
Yeah. So, I made the bukayo, guys. Wait. Ayan, oh. Good morning, guys. Mag-i-install si Travis ng... Ano to, babe? Ng bago niyang gulong. New tires. These are 37, right?
35.
35.
Yeah.
And she's gonna watch her daddy. She's just right here. This is a good idea that we bought this one. The mosquito net. So,
Yeah.
especially ngayon, guys, yung maraming insekto, maraming mosquito, kaya maganda meron siyang ano. Hi, Ellie! Hi, pretty girl. Hi. Hi. Grabe, malakas na siya dumedi, lalo ngayon, guys. Hi. Eliana. Hey. Eliana. Oh, busy siya, oh. Busy. So, ito yung kinuha ni Travis, guys, sa friend niya na tires. 5 to siya. So, how far was that? 1 hour? 2 hours?
2.5.
Yeah, and you were stuck in the traffic.
Yeah, it was a long ride.
Yeah. So, may jack siya. Tapos, ayan. Yep. Ito yung ano. Kasi, ito yung luma niya. 35. This is 35, right?
No, those are 33s.
These are 33 and those are 35.
Yeah, it's I can hold this up here. So you can see a difference.
Let me see. Ayan. So, medyo malaki lang siya ng
So-
onte. A little bigger. Oh, yeah. It looks way bigger.
It is bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's much bigger.
So
it's
he's
gonna
gonna-
change the look of the truck.
So, he's gonna install it today,
Yep,
guys.
I'm just gonna wash these. What I'm doing is they have weights on the inside, so I'm just gonna match the weights to which tire it
Yeah.
belongs to, and then I'll zip each tire off and
Right.
put the other one on.
And look, guys, look at our front yard grass. So we use True Green. They spray. I think they spray something here and then in the backyard too. But the backyard still look, still need to work. But look at our front yard. It's really nice. I think what they spray is for the weed, insects. Not insect, for the weed, to kill the weeds. So the grass will grow properly. Di ba ang ganda? May bush kami dyan, no? Meron kaming isa pang bush na maliit dito sa labas. Yan. Tapos ito yung inano namin ni Mama Karen, nilinis. Ayan yung, etong halaman na to, guys, hindi namin yan tinanim. Tumutubo lang siya every year. Yan. Siguro yung dati nakatira dito, nagtanim yan. Alright, babe. I'm gonna,
Okay.
I'm gonna leave. Love you.
All right, love you. She just pooped.
Eliana. Eliana. Hi, you be good to daddy, okay? Eliana. Hey. Eliana man. Oh, she pooped.
I know.
She's pushing. Look at that
I know.
face. Malalaman mo yung mukha niya kapag ka
She didn't
nagpupupo
want to
siya.
wait.
Grabe, guys, parang nag-ano na siya. O, naglalaway siya ngayon. Ano man tawag niyan? Parang umaano yung gum niya. Nakati siguro. Mouthing ba tawag na? Nagngingipin. I'm not sure kung nagngingipin na siya, no? Pero grabe na yung paglalaway niya. Kaya meron siyang ganyang guantes. Alright. Pupunta ko ng Food Lion ngayon. May bibili na ako, may mga kailangan lang akong bilhin, no? Nakikinig ako ngayon ng Dear MOR. Gustong-gusto ko yung mga kwento nila, pati yung kay Papa Dudut. Pero kay Papa Dudut parang halos lahat ata napakinggan ko na no? So, nakikinig ako ng Dear MOR. So, si Travis nagbabantay pala kay Ellie. So, ako pupunta ngayon mag-isa. Saglit lang naman kasi malapit lang yung Food Lion dito sa amin. Saglit lang talaga yung drive. Siguro mga 3 minutes drive lang, no? Punta tayo dun ngayon. Let's go! Dito na ako, guys. Naku, nakalimutan ko na naman yung listahan ko, no? Pwede na ako maalala ko yung mga bibilhin ko. Lagi ko talaga nakakalimutan yung listahan ko. Naglilista ako pero nakakalimutan ko yung listahan. Sana maalala ko. Saglit lang naman ako eh. Pero parang natatandaan ko naman yung mga nilista ko dun. Pero pag hindi ko na natandaan, chat ko na lang si Travis or tawagan ko. Nawagan ko si Travis guys. So nandito tayo sa baking aisle. Kailangan ko ng avocado oil. And papahanap siya ng pancake niya. Hi guys, so ito lang yung mga binili ko, saglit lang. Kailangan ko pa ng egg at saka ng creamer. Kasi saglit lang talaga ako guys dito eh. So ayan. Pancake ni Travis, oil, tapos kailangan ko ng creamer.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! Nakauwi na ako. Hindi ko na na-vlog ang buong pangyayari. Namili ako doon. No? Bumili ako nito. Tatry ko nito. Yung sweetened condensed coconut milk. Gagawa ko ng parang bukayo. Bumili ako ng tawag niya.
Ang pangan niya?
Bumili ako ng paper plate. Tapos avocado oil, egg. Tapos itatry namin to. We haven't tried this one yet, right? The buttermilk?
No, is that one just add water?
Yeah, add water. Here, babe.
That's a big one. Light and fluffy.
Sabi nila yung coconut daw is good sa pag ano ng milk production mo, no? To supply milk production. Coconut milk. Sabi nila.
Coconut milk. Coco.
Then I bought ginger ale if I wanna, you know, kapag gusto kong mutot-utot. Ayan lang talaga yung binibili ko ngayon. Kasi dati, nag-coke ako and Coke is really bad daw, sabi ni Travis.
Really bad.
So, kung gusto kong mag-soft drinks, ito lang talaga iniinom. Pero hindi ako talaga nagsusoft drinks simula nung, nag-soft drinks na ako, siguro mga once in a while lang talaga. Nung buntis ako, hindi talaga ako uminom. Siguro mga isang beses lang ata, 2 beses ako nakainom nun. Nung buntis ako, kasi sobrang higpit ni Travis nun. Yun, tapos bumili ako ng tinapay para dun sa bukayo. So, ayun. And by the way, guys, we have a good news. Come here, babe. Can you tell them what's the good news?
You mean my advancement?
You tell them what's the good news.
Yeah, so I got selected to promote to senior chief.
Yeah.
So our next step is I have to take orders before I promote. So
Yeah.
we gotta wait till June to see what's orders. Once I select orders and they approve them, then I'll be promoted and we'll move into that new. I'll move into that
and
new position.
we don't know where we're going next, guys.
Don't know.
We don't know, but it's a good thing for us. Good news for us na senior chief na siya ngayon, 'di ba? And hopefully maging master chief na siya. So yun na yung pinakamataas. Hopefully. So nung mga nakaraang kasi siguro mga everyday namin pinagpipray na sana maging senior chief siya. Tapos God answer prayer talaga, no? So, binigay ni Lord na yun na nga, na siya, senior chief. Pero alam namin na after nito na kapag ka mag-choose siya ng order, lilipat na naman kami. But we don't know where or kung meron ba dito na kung makakapili ba siya ng orders na dito pa din na makakapag-stay kami, pero sabi niya malaki daw talaga ang chance na lumipat kami and hindi namin alam kung sa ibang bansa, hindi namin alam kung dito pa rin sa Amerika, so hindi talaga namin alam, guys. So we'll let you know, guys, kung anong mangyayari. And ayun nga, kasi mahirap pag active duty, hindi kayo talaga naka-station lang sa isang lugar. Depende rin sa trabaho ng asawa nyo, no? And ayun, buti na lang nakuha na din namin ng passport si Ellie. Naantay na lang namin yung passport niya, guys. Para in case na alis kami, 'di ba? Sabi ni Travis siguro may mga 7 months pa kami dito na bago namin malaman kung saan kami sunod na pupunta. Yon. And by the way, I wanna show you guys yung ni Travis. Wait lang. yung bago niyang desk. Kahapon niya in-install. Sabi niya, it's not done yet daw. Ayan. Medyo magulo pa yung ano namin, yung gaming room namin. Pero ito yung bago naming desk. Ilalagay niya yung mga anik-anik niya dyan sa may parang cabinet na yan. And sponsor lang din to sa kanya from... What's the name of the company, babe?
Sedeta. So Sedeta.
Zendeta?
Sedeta.
Yeah, it's fine. I'll just put their link, website link or whatever sa description, no? Pero maganda siya, guys, kasi kung naghanap kayo ng computer desk, maganda to siya kasi pwede mo siyang pa-L, pwede siyang diretso na ganyan, yung isang diretso lang talaga. So, ang ginawa namin, ganito yung ginawa ni Travis para yung hindi siya ang tawag niyan, para meron siya sa gilid na lagayan ng mga gamit niya or mga pang-vlog niya, yung mga gamit niya pag nag-off-roading kami yan, mga GoPro niya, yung tawag niya, madami kasi siya mga ginagamit no? Tapos meron siyang drone, pwede niya ilagay dyan. Tapos, ito yung computer niya. And, dito na ako ito na yung computer station ko, no? Kasi itong isa, meron kami isa, ito yung luma ko, yung isa, balak namin na itabi na lang to sa shed. In case na kailangan namin next time, kunin lang namin. Pero sa ngayon kasi, malawak na yung pag-aanuhan namin, diba? So, kailangan pa namin siyang linisin, diba? Hi, baby girl. Hello. My pretty girl. Hmm? Hi. Can you say hi to them? Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. Look at my pretty Kinsley. Look at my Kinsley. Nanaginip daw siya. What was your dream? What was your dream?
A bad dream.
About me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm.
You think I will do that? Tell them what's your dream, babe. Dali.
Oh.
It's fine.
No.
So he said that I met someone and he's like, when he wake up, oh, you better not do that, babe. Oh, shoot. Sabi niya, wag mong gagawin yun, ah. Sabi niya.
It's pretty good. This is really bad
You like
for you,
it?
though.
Yeah. So, I made the bukayo, guys. Wait. Ayan, oh. Nilagay ko sa tinapay na Hawaiian roll na tinapay. Tapos, nag-ano lang ako ng bukayo.
Did you put sugar in this?
No, it's a coconut, sweetened coconut. It's really good, huh?
Mm-hmm. But not good for you.
No, it's good for me.
No, bread is not good for you.
Dami alam. It's
Let's-
good.
You can only have half that.
Nagluto ako ng pansit. Pansit. Kain tayo, guys. Itadaikimasu.